Hi everyone, welcome to Phonics. Let's recap the sounds we've learnt so far. S, A, T, N, P, O, I, M, D, K, G, R, K, E, O. And our new sound today is B. What starts with a B sound? Balloon, butterfly, bike, book, bird. Can you think of any more? Let's see how we write the B sound. Down the boot, up and over the toe. Down the boot, up and over the toe. Down the boot, up and over the toe. B-I-G, big. The elephant is big. Back, back. I am at the back of the line. B-U-G, bug. I can see a bug on a leaf. B-A-G, bag. I pack my lunch in my bag. Bat, bat. I hit the ball with a bat. B-E-D, bed. I went to bed. Let's take a look at our tricky words. I, to, no, go. And our new tricky word today is into. I went into the shop. Thanks for joining me. See you again soon. Bye for now.